Here's a classic Dynaco ST70 tube amplifier. Built in the early 70s, has a power output of 35 watts per channel into 4 or 8 ohms. It uses EL34 tubes with max power consumption of 345 watts. And I got this earlier this year, already sweet sounding but looks beat up and had issues with the output transformer. I had this restored with Tube Master, Rene Ribo, rewired, chassis chrome, cage powder coated, output transformer was rewinded, recap with audio grade capacitors, replaced binding post, replaced rectifier tube, replaced power cord, replaced tube socket, and replaced the footers. Now, cosmetically and performance-wise, it's now way better. I'm using this with the Polk Audio RTI A7 tower speakers and a KEF LS50 bookshelf speakers. And it's not as powerful compared to its solid-state counterparts, but this classic tube amplifier brings a lot of nostalgia. So here again, the Dynaco ST70 tube amplifier.